ever thought about starting an Etsy shop but felt completely stuck on where to begin? Trust me, I've been there. A few years ago, I took a leap of faith and started Nancy's shop. It wasn't anything fancy at first, just a small side hustle to make a little extra money. But what I didn't realize at the time was how much that decision would change my life. Not only did I make some pretty good money, but it also taught me the ins and outs of running a business. And more importantly, it gave me the confidence to try bigger things, like starting this YouTube channel. But here's what I've learned from you guys in the comments and on Instagram. One of the biggest hurdles is simply not knowing where to start. And I get it. When you haven't tried much yet, it's hard to figure out what might actually work for you. That's why I spent an evening browsing Etsy, diving into successful niches, and putting together a list of 9 shop ideas that could not only get you started, but might even earn you more than your current job. In this video, I'll break each idea down and rate them on 3 factors: startup costs, skills required, and my personal favorite, passiveness. Whether you're into crafts, design, or just looking for something unique, I've got something for everyone. Ready to find your next big idea? Let's dive in. First on my list, 3D printed cookie cutters. Let's kick things off with a niche that's both trendy and tech-savvy: 3D printed cookie cutters. Imagine being able to create customized cookie designs for birthdays, holidays, or even weddings. An example shop, The Cookery, has racked up nearly 62,000 sales with an average price of $6 per cutter. That's about $372,000 in revenue since they started in 2018. For startup costs, I'd rate this a 4 out of 5. A decent 3D printer costs between $200 and $400, plus food-safe material at around $20 to $25 per kilogram. It's not a massive investment, but it's more than some other niches. Skills? This one's a 3.5 out of 5. You'll need to learn how to use the printer and design in 3D software. The passiveness? I'd say it's a 3 out of 5. Once you've nailed the designs, the machine does most of the work, but you'll still need to handle printing and shipping. Focus on unique themes or holiday-specific designs. Customers love personalization, and a niche like this thrives on creativity. Next, resume templates. Speaking of niches with low barriers to entry, let's move to resume templates. This digital product is simple yet lucrative. Take Co-Resume, for example. They've sold 25,000 templates at an average price of $10.65, netting them $269,000 in under 2 years. Startup costs? 1 out of 5. You only need a computer and free tools like Google Docs or Canva. Skills required? A mere 1.5 out of 5. If you can use basic software, you can create professional-looking resumes. And passiveness? A perfect 5 out of 5. Once the templates are uploaded, customers download them automatically. No packing or shipping required. Stand out by targeting specific professions or offering creative designs tailored to unique industries. The competition is fierce, but a little niche specialization can go a long way. Number 3, bridesmaid and groomsmen boxes. Now let's add a touch of sentimentality with bridesmaid and groomsmen boxes. These curated gift sets are perfect for weddings, and Aaron's Home and Gifts has mastered this niche, generating $1.9 million from 77,000 sales since 2020. Startup costs? A solid 4 out of 5. If you're including handmade soaps, candles, or other custom items, the initial investment can add up. Skills? 3 out of 5. Crafting these items requires some know-how, but it's doable with time and effort. Passiveness? A low 1 out of 5, as every box needs to be carefully curated and packed. Outsource items like soaps and candles to focus on packaging and personalization. This can save time and allow you to scale while keeping quality high. Number 4, pet portraits. For the artists out there, pet portraits are a fantastic way to monetize your skills. Draw Your Portrait has sold over 56,000 pieces at an average of $40 each, earning more than $2.2 million since 2016. Startup costs? 1.5 out of 5. A basic drawing tablet costs around $100, and print-on-demand services keep physical production costs low. Skills required? 4 out of 5. Mastering digital or traditional art takes time and practice. Passiveness? 2 out of 5 if you're creating custom pieces, but selling pre-made designs boosts this TOV 5 out of 5. Offer digital files for customers to print at home, reducing overhead and making your shop more scalable. Number 5, gender reveal decorations. Let's move into party planning with gender reveal decorations. A shop like Poof, There It Is Reveals, has sold 260,000 items at an average price of $8, totaling over $2 million in revenue since 2016. Startup costs? 1.5 out of 5. You'll need basic craft supplies like powder, shells, and paint. Skills required? A low 1 out of 5, as these can be learned in a day via YouTube tutorials. tutorials. Passiveness, just 1 out of 5, as each order requires manual assembly. Batch produce your most popular items to save time and focus on marketing your shop. Number 6, Instagram highlight covers. If aesthetics are your thing, Instagram highlight covers are a surprisingly lucrative niche. Tin Studio Digital has sold 18,000 designs at $7 each, earning $124,000 in under 2 years. Startup costs, just 1 out of 5. Tools like Canva and Figma are free and easy to use. Skills, 2 out of 5. Basic graphic design is all you need. Passiveness, a glorious 5 out of 5. Digital downloads mean zero inventory or shipping headaches. Offer themed bundles like minimalist designs or seasonal sets to attract a wider audience. Number 7, map prints. Few things are as timeless as a beautifully designed map print. Whether it's a custom map of someone's hometown or a romantic location tied to a special memory, this niche is thriving. Take Paper Emporium Company ourselves. For assistant startup costs, a bit higher at 2.5 out of 5. You'll likely need professional tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, which require subscriptions. Skills required, surprisingly, 1 out of 5, with plenty of online tutorials. Even beginners can learn the basics of creating these prints quickly. Passiveness, a full 5 out of 5 if you stick to digital products, as customers can download and print them on their own. Personalization is key here. Offering custom map designs, such as marking a customer's home or a significant event location, adds value and appeal to your shop. Number 8, nursery decor. Next, let's talk about nursery decor. Swing, a niche that blends creativity with sentimentality. Bear & Rose Company has mastered this space, earning $2.8 million from 71,000 sales since 2018. They specialize in laser-cut wooden wall art, which is perfect for a baby's room. Startup costs? A hefty 5 out of 5. Laser cutting machines are expensive, ranging from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. Skills required? 3 out of 5. You'll need to learn both machine operation and vector design software. Passiveness? 3 out of 5. While machines can automate production, packaging, and shipping still require manual work. Start small with simpler designs and consider partnering with a local laser cutting service to test the market before investing in your own equipment. And number 9, embroidery kits. Last but not least, we have embroideries kits, a fun and engaging niche for DIY enthusiasts. DIY Order has sold 73,000 kits at an average price of $11, raking in $805,000 in just 3 years. Startup costs? A modest 1.5 out of 5. Materials like embroidery hoops, thread, and fabric can cost as little as $20 to $30, and bulk purchasing keeps expenses low. Skills required? 2 out of 5. You'll need to design patterns and assemble kits, but this is easy to learn with online resources. Passiveness? Around 2.5 out of 5. Digital patterns can boost passiveness, but assembling and shipping kits takes time. Create beginner-friendly kits with clear instructions and appealing designs. Cater to popular themes like holidays, quotes, or floral patterns to attract a wide range of customers. And there you have it, 9 unique Etsy shop ideas that could turn your creativity into a full-fledged income stream. From the tech-savvy world of 3D printed cookie cutters to the nostalgic charm of nursery decor, there's a niche for everyone. The best part? You don't need to know everything up front. Many of these ideas can be started with minimal investment and scaled over time. Whether you're drawn to something highly passive like resume templates or prefer a hands-on approach with bridesmaid boxes, the possibilities are endless. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, starting small can lead to big changes. These shops didn't become million-dollar successes overnight. They started with an idea and a first step. So which niche speaks to you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel Cash Up Money Ideas, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy side hustling.